Welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to solve a real life problem by using quadratic equation. So the problem is that we are going to build a shed with a total area of 120 square feet, and the length of the shed is 7 feet longer than its width. So we have to find its dimension. So first we will suppose that let's the width of the shed be x. Let's suppose we have a variable x which represents the width of the shed. So let me draw the shed. We have a shed of rectangular type whose width is x. Then according to the given statement, its length is 7 feet longer than the width, so its length will be x plus 7. So when we have suppose that width is represented by x, then length will be x plus 7. And we are given that area A of this rectangle is 120. Now we know that formula of area of a rectangle is A is equal to width into its length. Now we will insert values. A is 120 is equal to width is x and length is x plus 7. So we can write it like x into swapping the sides 120. Now multiply x. So we have x square. X multiplied with x is x square. X multiplied with 7 is 7x is equal to 120. Now we will take 120 to the left hand side, so we have x square plus 7x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we can solve this equation by using any of the solution method for a quadratic equation. I will use the method of factorization. So we will write 7x is sum of two numbers whose product is equal to the product of coefficient of x square and the constant, and whose sum is equal to the middle term. So that will be 1 multiplied with 120 is 120. We have a negative sign, so this is minus 120. Now we will take two numbers whose product is minus 120. So that will be 15 and minus 8. And the sum of 15 and minus 8 is plus 7. So we can write that x square plus 15x minus 8x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now x is common in the first two terms, so taking out x common, we have x plus 15 minus 8 is common in these two terms, so we have x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now x plus 15, x plus 15 are common, so taking x plus 15 common and x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now by using the zero product property, we can write that either x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now from x plus 15 is equal to 0, the value of x will be x is equal to minus 15, and from x plus 8, the value of x is equal to 8. Now, as x is representing width of a rectangle, so its value cannot be negative. As x is a physical quantity, which is width. So take the positive only. Because the width can never be a negative value. So x is equal to 8, which means width is equal to 8 feet and length is equal to x plus 7. That will be insert 8 for x plus 7, sorry, 8 plus 7, that is equal to 15. So length is equal to 15 feet. These are the required dimensions. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.